This is how to set up and use the GymBoss Interval Timer. The first thing you'll do is open up the app. When you're in there, you'll see that there are some preset interval timers already. We're going to make a brand new one for you, so we'll press the Add Timer button at the bottom. When you're in here, you'll press Add New Interval, and then let's add 30 seconds for this work set. We'll change the background color to red. We will give it a name of work, and we'll save. Then we'll add a new interval, and this one will be our rest interval. We'll make that a minute, we'll say a minute and 5 seconds. We'll change the background color to blue. We'll write rest at the top, and we'll save that. Now, this is for one round, has 30 seconds of work and a minute and 5 seconds of rest. But let's say we have 3 movements in each round. We'll press and hold on the work button to pull up the duplicate option. We'll press that, and we'll continue doing that until we have 3 movements in each round. Now let's say we have different times set up for each movement. You can just go into each individual one and change the time. Something I like to do to make sure that I know that I'm nearing the end of my set is I will change the last rest to the color yellow, or just something that I'm not normally using, and I'll press save. Now let's say we want to change the number of rounds we have going on. Press the select rounds button, and we'll change that to 5. Okay. Now from here, you could just go and press start and go right into the work. Now, as you see here, if I press the start button, it's going to immediately go into the work. So what I want to do is X out, and then I actually want to go to this countdown section at the top here, and I'm going to add 5 seconds onto the countdown. We'll save that. Now when I go in, I have 5 seconds to press the button and then get to where I need to go so that I can do the work for the specified period of time. Another thing to keep in mind here is that on the bottom left-hand corner, it'll tell you the number of rounds remaining. This is the number of rounds remaining after you've completed the current round. So if I press start here, you'll see the countdown.
3,
you'll
2,
hear the countdown.
1.
You'll hear the beep, and then as you're in the first work set, you'll see that there are 4 rounds remaining after you complete this entire round. Another thing that you can do if you have the phone in your pocket or anything like that, you can press and hold the lock button. That will lock the screen so you don't accidentally stop the timer. We'll X out of there. And now let's say you want to keep this timer so that you don't have to make it again each day. You just give it a name. Today, we're going to name this New Interval. We'll hit done. We'll save, we'll X out of that, and then when I want to use this one again, I just press New Interval, and it's already there, ready and set to go. Hope this helps.